Hello and welcome to the 2-minute series. The topic for today is parasitism. Now this is another type of species interaction and rather an important one. This is also a negative interaction between species. It can simply be understood as a type of species interaction where one species lives in or on another species to obtain food, and thus it causes harm to the host on which that one particular species is living. Now what you need to observe here is that the species what is living in or on another species. So in parasitism, what is important is that a physical association between the species is what is important characteristic of parasitism. So that is one thing that you need to focus upon. Next are two important terms, endo as well as ectoparasites. Now ectoparasites are those parasites which are living on the species. For example, leeches are known as ectoparasites, or mites are what are ectoparasites. Similarly, there is another term that is the endoparasites. These are the parasites that live within an organism. For example, certain types of worm, the tapeworm that lives inside human intestine is what is an endoparasite. So this is one thing that you should know. Next, something that is very, very important is the difference between parasitism as well as predators, because even predators is an interaction for food where one species is feeding on the other, and even parasitism is a type of interaction where one species what is feeding on another. But the difference here is, first and foremost, physical attachment or association is what is mandatory in parasitism, but that is not the case of predation. Also in predation, what happens is that the predator is larger in size, whereas in parasitism, the feeder, the parasite is what is much smaller in size. So that is one difference. Also, parasite is largely host specific, whereas this is not the case in predators. Predators can have multiple prey, so that is one difference. Also, parasites are comparatively less mobile, whereas predators are believed to be more mobile as compared to parasites. So these are some classic differences between parasites and predation. So these are the two types of interaction, and differences between them is what you should be clear about. So this is all about parasitism, and that's about our discussion today. I thank you all for watching the video.